have this inserted in section 41C para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng sa ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President. That is my question, Madam
Madam Chair, the gentleman is out of order because his question sang mamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it out. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing on the Blue Ribbon on flood control and mababanggit ka rin? You do not make that kind of statements here in the Senate because you assume good faith from everyone. That rule hindi mo na din. May 11 pa ho yun. So, Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
And the voting will be done.
Because his question sa mamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it out. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid from that hearing on the doing one control and mababanggit ka rin?
Sir, bakit? Pinabola ko tayo eh. Pinagpipilitan nila, naisip-isip siguro nila dahil lumabas sa media na ilalabas na warrant of arrest. Para makaboto yung mga yun na makakulong kung sino man yun, para makaboto sila, magkakakulong man sila. Common sense, hindi naman tayo tanga, journalist tayo.
Yes.
Common sense.
Yes, sir.
BS. O ano mga rules.
Sir, sir, paano po yun? Paano yun, sir? Ano, hindi na magkaroon ng boto?
We just look up it.
No, because we will not be part of this. It's a travesty of our rules, of the Senate rules. Hindi kami papayag sa
Niloloko tayo.
Hindi sila pwedeng magboto ngayon, sir.
Niloloko
Hindi
tayo.
sila pwedeng magbasa ng motion ngayon, sir. Ay, hindi sila pwedeng magboto ba, sir?
violation of the rules.
Because they are disobeying our rules.
Mali.
Si Cindy. Cindy yung botohan nila. Si Cindy. Clark? Sir, si kayo ngayon. Sir, paano yun? Hindi pwede magbotohan kasi wala silang quorum.
Wala siya quorum. We have no quorum.
Okay, sir.
Let's go.
Bakit umabot sa ganito, sir? Si Cindy. Si Cindy.